Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a great week. So last week, what did we see in the market? We went higher, and we kind of stayed sideways. We didn't really do much. So whether we are bullish or bearish, even if I zoom out, something to note, bigger picture, is that we are at the edge of this channel.
This short clip is presented by Chase. Fast track your learning curve and profit with our LaDuc Trading Slack community. It is ideal for beginners who love the chase. Chase provides access to not only Samantha's daily market thoughts and chase trades, but also her fabulous team of live stage mentors who share their actual trades and risk management stops across equities, options, and futures. You also get access to custom trade support when you need it. For more information, visit www.laductrading.com/chase.
Let me go to the weekly chart. And yes, you'll be able to see this is a long-term channel all the way from September 2008. So we are on the weekly. You can see that we are a little bit away from it. I mean, it's kind of have to, let's see, adjust it a bit. And yeah, there we go. And you can see that we are inching towards the long-term top. But if you go to the 4-hour chart, you could see that we are kind of hovering below it. So whether you're bullish or bearish, something to keep a note is this is a channel and we kind of have been sideways. So this is your lower bear pivot in the market. So if you were to break 5780, you're very likely going to come sell off 5634. And like I mentioned before, you break 5634 and we can be in a more bearish conversation, right? This is our ABC and we come down. And our bullish would again come. We know we have a level of support building here. So if we do consolidate and we move higher, we will be able to, push back for the wave 5 into the top of that long-term channel in the market. So this is one option. And if we do break the support level, I am looking for a more bearish short into the bottom of this channel here, to the very least at 50, what is that? 350. So we do have a couple of options going on in the market. And I wanted to bring up QQQ. You could see here, QQQ, unlike SPY did, kind of have that breakdown end of day. So if we do break 485, we will kind of have that continuation to the downside of 475. So yeah, again, the bear and the bull versions, kind of remain the same. For QQQ, below this, we come here, we would need to break 476 to have a bigger bear target. Any consolidation in this range, and the 470 still will take it higher. So we would need to break 470 to be super bearish. But yeah, we are kind of hovering below the channel. And you can also see here the dollar rate forming that reversal pattern, the bottom reversal pattern. This is obviously a channel, and we've kind of been in a downtrend since July. So we are due for an oversell bounce, and we do have a mini consolidation pattern forming. So the dollar does look kind of wants to do this breakout. So which would again kind of put some bearish pressure on the markets. And the wicks again is kind of having that ABC kind of bounce. So you can see here, this is the downtrend for wicks and we have broken down. So as long as we would need to be below 15.7 on the wicks to continue bullishly on the market. Otherwise, we could again above this level at 16.9. The next level on wicks I have is 18.7. So yeah, and we do have kind of an unfilled gap at 21. So if this breakout does hold, it could be pretty bearish for the market. So just kind of watch out. We have been pushing pretty high. So the yields also kind of look a little bit spiky, and we have been in a downtrend since May. So yeah, kind of be wary of the market. We are kind of pushing high. So yeah, just kind of look for the triggers. You can see again, we've been sideways the whole week. So I mean, the last time we kind of had selling, we were sideways, and then we kind of had a bearish momentum. So that's why I'm kind of sus. We would need to break over 5,800 to remain bullish in the market. So yeah, with all that being discussed, let's look at the first stock this week. I have Meta. We were bullish last week. Now, the reason I am bearish is you can see the daily. We pushed into our target at 470s, and now we've kind of been sideways. So for me, if we do break 570, 565, we do have an unfilled gap all the way down to 538, which should fill, and you would need about 575 to go up to 600. So yeah, I am looking for this consolidation to break into this gap fill at some point. On Meta, the next one I have is LLY. I had this last week. We went sideways and boom, we kind of had that breakdown. I was looking for now, we can retest this is here, this 895 should turn. This is previously support. It should turn into resistance, and as long as we stay below it, we do have an unfilled gap, and it should continue selling to the downside here on LLY. So that's the reason I have LLY on this week's watch list. And yeah, I do kind of have a couple of other charts that I am looking at. One of that is Baidu. The reason for that is, again, we all know China has that stimulus pump going on and it is getting extended. But if you look at the weekly chart of Baidu, right, it has been in a super extended downtrend, and we are kind of having that breakout of the channel. So yeah, this 109 is a fib level. So if you can break and stay above 109, we should be able to squeeze a little more, right, in the 119, 120, right into the 0.618 fib. So it could have a bit more of a continuation to the upside for Baidu. That's what I'm looking at. And even BMY, you can see here, it is trying to break out. You can see it had this consolidation. So the supply level on BMY is at about like 51-ish. So if we can break and hold over 51, we should be able to push into 54 on BMY. So it needs more continuation to push. So you can keep an eye on BMY as well. So that's all I have for this week. I hope you have a great day.
Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more Wolf's weekly wave list videos and other content.